Hello, this is Indrajit and I will be taking you through Media Owner Control Panel. So, please first open the website earthhive.com and the owner section in that. After that, please put in your login credentials. This kind of interface will be opened when you put in your login credentials, and this interface has four sections. So let's take up claim asset section first. This function is useful for matching a media owner with his media available with us on an online database map. So select a state from the drop down list and then a city from which belongs to that state and click on all assets. This will open a map of the city and show you various media present in the city. The red one indicates that the media owner is not known to us, and the blue one indicates that the media owner is known to us but he has not claimed a media. And here there are green medias available as well, which indicates that it is of the media owner who has logged in. Now I shall tell you how to claim your media, which is one of the important part of this media owner control panel. So click on a red button if you feel that your media is present in this area. So after clicking, you can see a media and its picture here like this. So to claim this media, click on claim media. And if you feel that in this region you have a media but someone else has claimed that media, then you can go to that media by clicking on it, check the photo. If you feel that this media is yours, you can claim that media. Once a media owner claims a media, a request comes to the administrator and he can verify it from various sources and then approve the claiming. Also, you can remove a claim after you have claimed a media if you don't feel that it is yours. So, this was the claim media section where you can claim a media. And now let's go to the edit asset section. So select a state and select a city and click on my assets. This will show your media present in different parts of Mumbai. So here we can see that we have plotted 9 media ourselves. So if you want to edit a media, click on the media, which will show the media's picture, and then click on edit media. Here you can edit the dimensions of the media and change the price as well. In a short time we will adding a function add photo, which will enable the media owner to put his own photo in the media. For example, if he feels that this photo is not right, he can put his own media taken by himself of the media and then put it. So this was edit media function. Now let's see at change permissions. This section allows you to keep restraint on viewership. Suppose you don't want to show availability or price of your media, you can edit the setting accordingly. And the request for proposal section is useful when a client sends you a booking request. It is for the purpose of replying to a request and for fixing a deal. This tool is being developed continuously and more changes are being brought in. At this juncture, claim media and edit assets should be the concern, as our objective is to get all the media owners on this platform. Later, when everything or each and every media owner has come into this platform, we can go for other sections like request for proposal, as more agencies and brands or advertisers will send their booking request through this tool, and media owners can reply through request for proposal section. So that was it. Thank you very much.